Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pattern which appears to be lacy, but it is lacy at the same time cushiony too. This is great for your summer projects, and this particular stitch pattern is worked with treble crochet, not ordinary treble crochet, the long treble crochets, and we use the crossed long treble crochets to make this puff like stitch. Hence it is titled as long treble crochet puff stitch pattern. Okay, so this particular piece I made with my hobby store 100% premium acrylic Aran yarn, which is a 5 ply and anti-pill yarn too, and I use my 5 mm clover crochet hook to make this. Let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 6 plus 3. I shall chain 24 plus 3, 27 and get back to you. I have made 27 chains. Now place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So let us work in the back bumps, and one single crochet in each back bump all across. So we made 24 plus 3, 27, so we should be having 26 single crochets at the end of this foundation row. So complete the stitches and get back. Now we have made the foundation single crochet row. For the first row we need to chain 4 and turn. Chain 4 is considered as the first treble, or you turn, make a single crochet in the very first stitch and pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet, twist and insert. There are 2 loops here, 1 and 2. Insert into this loop, from this loop, yarn over, insert into these 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull out, pull through and pull through too. So we got a stitch to the height of a treble. Now we skip the next 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 and 3 we are going to skip, and we are going to make a long treble. So long treble, insert yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch designated, pick up the yarn, pull to the height of at least half an inch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is the long treble that we have made. Place 1 long treble each on each of the next 2 single crochets. Again pull to the height of half inch height, yarn over twice, pull up the loop to the height of half inch, complete the treble. Now we have to work long trebles into the missed stitches 1, 2, 3 over the post of these 3 trebles, long trebles. So yarn over, insert the hook into the, yarn over twice, insert into the very first skip stitch here, pick up the yarn, pull through, pull up to the height of 1.3 centimeter or at least half an inch, complete the treble. Again yarn over twice into this next stitch, yarn over twice, the third skip stitch. Now again skip 1 2 3 and skip 3 stitches, place a long treble crochet, one each in each of the next 3. Again work long trebles over the post of these 3 trebles into the skipped stitches, one each. The third skip stitch now. Pull up the loop to the height of half an inch at least, or greater than half inch. So this is how these crossed puff stitches develop. Continue this stitch repeat till the end of the row. Completed the stitch repeat for row 1. Now in the last stitch place a long treble. Since we are working with long trebles, all the stitches should be long treble. And you may chain 4 and turn chain 4 also little taller stitch, or you can make a single crochet as the very first stitch and then make a twisted double crochet and now skip the first 3, 1 2 3 and make a long treble in each of the one each in each of the next 3. Pull up to the height of at least half an inch, yarn over twice again, pull up, yarn over twice again in the third, pull up the loop to the height of at least half an inch, now yarn over twice, and we will be working over the post of these 3 stitches into 1 2 and 3, one long, second long, third long. So we make these in the third stitch here. It will try to hide itself but pick it up. So this is how it develops. So again in this also we skip the first 3, do the long trebles here 1 2 3 and then come back and do over the post of the next 3. Continue this stitch pattern till the end of this row. I shall meet you at the end of the row. I come to the end of the row here. Now end with the long treble in the very last turning chain or on the top of the DC that we did over the SC. That is one method of making standing stitches as the first stitch. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular row, and it is a single row repeat pattern. Repeat the stitches that you did for row 2 to the desired length of your project. Okay, I shall complete to a certain extent and get back to you. I have completed few more repeats of this treble crochet crossed puff stitch pattern. So we used long treble crochets and use the long crossed treble crochets to make this puff stitch, and it's a lacy pattern, and it is a cushiony pattern, and it is reversible. Thank you friends for viewing this video. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day, and do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.